Hello everyone, now we are going to learn how to download IntelliJ on Windows 11. First go to Google search and type IntelliJ IDEA download. Click on the first link, that is www.jetbrains.com. Now here we can see there are different tabs. We will select the Windows tab. Out of these two, that is Ultimate and Community, select the Community one. Click on download. The download has started. It will take few minutes to download. Now once it is downloaded, click on this. It will show a pop-up. Click on yes. Click on next. It will show the path where it will be saved. It will calculate the space required and the space available. Click on next. Now click on IntelliJ IDEA shortcut, desktop shortcut if you want. Add open folder as a project, and we are going to create association with .java. This is very important. We need to update the path variable. Add bin folder to the path. Click on next. Let it be as is. Then click on install. It will take few minutes to install. Now after it is installed, we have to select one option, either reboot it now or you can reboot it later. I will suggest reboot it now, then click on finish. Now once this is done, you can click on this desktop shortcut. It will open. Now we will click on the new project. It will search for JDK installed. We'll write the file name as hello world. Here, since we have already installed the JDK, this is already selected. Then we are going to write create. Now this is done. Here we can start our coding. Thank you.